अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा में पाकिस्तानी मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिकार ने वाज़ेह कर दिया है कि पाकिस्तान खित्ते में किसी भी किस्म की जारियत नहीं चाहता। पाकिस्तान भारत समेत पड़ोसियों के साथ अमन और बाहमी ताउन पर मबनी ताल्लुकात का ख्वाहां है, लेकिन ये जज्बा दोनों तरफ से होना चाहिए।
Pakistan desires good neighborly, peaceful and cooperative relations with all its neighbors, including India. But this aspiration must be reciprocated. It cannot be a one-sided affair. The situation unfolding in the region poses a serious threat to international peace and security. Pakistan has urged immediate de-escalation. We believe escalatory rhetoric and unilateral actions are counterproductive. Pakistan has acted with maturity and responsibility. Regional peace and security is a fundamental pillar of Pakistan's foreign policy, and Pakistan is deeply committed to this objective.